In regards to installation ease, it's drop down the headliner and set it, forget it. Realistically, that's the biggest benefit of this type of antenna, is just being able to get it in position. You have a simple adhesive strip to lay this onto a glass surface, or you lay that adhesive strip down on the inside of the headliner to keep it from shifting around while you're in transit. And then you just run a cable. That's the simplicity of this antenna, but at the same time, even though it's not penetrating the roof and outside, from a height perspective or however you want to look at it, it still performs much higher than those that are on the market.